Hi 6th graders, I hope you've been doing well. Today we are going to work on our IXL for lesson 4.5. So our IXL is K.13, multiplying mixed numbers. Alright, so we need to multiply and then write our answer as a fraction or as a whole number or mixed number. Okay, so remember with IXLs we do not need to simplify our answers, which is super nice. Okay? And remember, your goal is to always get to 70%. If you can't quite get to 70, send me a message on Schoology and I will help you out, okay? Alright, so let's get started. My first problem is 3.5 times 1 2/5. Alright, so I'm going to write that down. When we are multiplying mixed numbers, we can't multiply them unless we change them to improper fractions. Okay? So let's change 3 1/2 to an improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 gives us 7, and our denominator stays a 2. And then we do the same thing. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 2 gives us 7, and our denominator stays a 5. Alright, so now we multiply just like normal, and we multiply straight across. 7 times 7 gives us 49. 2 times 5 gives us 10. So 49 over 10 is our answer. Alright, moving on to our next problem. We have 3 1/3 times 5 1/5. So the first thing when we're multiplying mixed numbers, we need to convert them to improper fractions. Okay, so we take 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1, which gives us 10 over 3. Times 5 times 5 gives us 25, plus 1 gives us 26 over 5. Alright, so now we multiply straight across. 10 times 26, cover up the 0. 26 times 1 is just 26, and then put that 0 back on the end. 3 times 5 gives us 15. So our answer is 260 over 15. And it's nice with IXLs that we don't need to change it back to a mixed number. We could, but we don't need to. Alright, and we'll do one more. 4 1/5 times 3 1/2. Alright, so again, we have to convert it to a mixed number first. 3 times 5 is 20, plus 1 gives us 21 over 5. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 gives us 7. So we're taking 21 over 5 times 7 over 2. Alright, so we need to take 21 times 7. I don't have that memorized off the top of my head, so let's multiply it. 7 times 1 gives us 7. 7 times 2 gives us 14, so 147. Then our denominator is 5 times 2, which gives us 10. So our answer is 147 over 10. Alright, so that is what we are working on. I want you to try to get to 70. If you're struggling, send me a message on Schoology and I will